In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight values that have changed in Excel. I was approached by someone about a week ago, and he asked me to make a video showing things that had changed for like an audit trail. Well, my reply to that is I'm not an accountant. Just ask any of my people that have worked for me as my accountant, and I am not an accountant. But what my background is in data analysis. And so this is a CSV file that I've downloaded piece of years ago, and it's just exactly how many of the files that I used to work with appeared. You have a pile of data that absolutely means nothing to you. And so when you open it up, you have no idea whether something has changed. And so what I did is I found some code, and it allows you to leave a mark that this has changed. So I'm on this one here, and it's middle of this is 133, so I'm going to change it to 177. And now you can either press enter or you can press tab just away from it. So I'm going to press enter. And then it tells you that you have changed that value and the value is updated, which is fine, except for now I've made green just so that you can be any color, but I've used green as my common color, just so that when you go away and open this up again, you'll know that this value has been changed. So let me show you how I did this. So we've opened up our Visual Basic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the sheet itself, because this is a worksheet function. It's contained right on this sheet. So I double click on the sheet and it brings up the code. Now I didn't write most of this code. This code I found on one of the message boards in Excel, but I made some changes to it. I didn't realize that you can create two worksheet functions on top of each other. So this one is before double click, and the second one is worksheet functions by change of value. So originally what they had a message box just saying that the value was updated. But what I thought is it's not going to make any difference that you're going to know that it's updated or you're going to see the message box. But when you when it's being marked, the interior color has been marked a certain color, you know that it has been updated. So I will, of course, include this code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.